Hello, my name is Johnny Foss. I am a geometry teacher. Uh, I'm the head swim coach and assistant soccer coach here at McNeil. I've now been here at McNeil 21 years. And I absolutely love McNeil. So you're in the right place. It's a great place to be. I put on the screen here a bunch of contact information for me. Email is the easiest. I can get back to you even in the middle of sometimes even teaching or in the middle of doing a bunch of stuff throughout the day. But of course, sometimes a phone call is exactly what is needed in order to communicate best. Um, all of our virtual meetings for class will be in the Schoology conference room. You've probably gotten a bunch of emails from me already. I try and over communicate if I can. And just to show you real quickly, here's one of my Schoology is my second period course. So if you look in there, we have a bunch of general resources inside of this folder. That's a class syllabus, bell schedule, and I even downloaded an entire geometry textbook. It's about 1,129 pages in case you're looking for just another tool to help your child in this course, which is not an easy course. So, but the good news is everybody who wants to be successful in my 21 years, those kids pass this course. If they want to be successful and they have the support of myself and those at home, those kids are successful every time. I have a calendar in here that tells you exactly what we're doing in class every day. And then unit by unit, you'll see these folders build. Here's exactly, and I have my calendar that says this is day 3, this is day 4. And so you come into this folder and the matching folder there has so many videos and notes, and as well as an assignment for kids to download, work, and re-upload into Schoology. I understand this new learning management system can be intimidating. Trust me, it was for me. I used some choice words when we were first trying to learn this. It's not always easy, but if I can learn this system, I promise to be here for you and help make sure that you and your child can learn this system. If anything is not working right or you're getting frustrated, please let me know because I understand your feelings. I've gone through that with Google Classroom and now Schoology, so it's a common thing, especially when we think we're highly intelligent people and then have struggles with new stuff. So please don't get frustrated. If you have anything, I don't mind getting on even to video conferences to walk you or the kids who are working on this through those systems. So please, again, let me know. I do want to just basically say, remind you of, or just tell you my basic philosophy, what I'm looking for, what I've tried to do with children over the last 21 years here at McNeil High School. My goal is for your child to have 3 skills when they leave here. My goal is for your child to be a free-thinking, confident problem solver. And yes, I understand that I did not mention mathematics. I didn't mention a single number. I didn't mention a single geometry concept. But I do believe that if your child becomes a free-thinking, confident problem solver, that they will surely not only be successful in my course, but they'll be able to go after whatever dream it is that they want to do with their life. And that's really what I'm here for. I want your child to be as successful as they want to be. I want them to have the ability to reach their potential. So that's where my focus is, in case you want to know. And I welcome any and all communication. If you have a question about whether they showed up to school or a geometric concept or what's going on or how are you supposed to know or be able to follow or support your child in my course or even anything else going on here at McNeil High School, I want you to know my door, my phone, my email is open, and let me know how I can help. So things are certainly not normal these days, but this is we will continue to practice the art of learning to make the best of what scenarios we have. So that's going to be our focus. My focus with the students who are in my class. It's going to be focused on myself that I'll have to continue to remind myself of. But we're here trying to do our best, and I look forward to helping your child be successful this year. So I wish you the best. Stay strong, stay safe, go Mavs, and let me know how I can help.